dude. Stupid dentist appointment. I'm gonna sleep when I get back from that. Yeah, I'm tired. Shut up. Oh, my bones. Yeah, I'll be done here, but.
From the Bay Area members, Contra Costa County District Attorney Diana Beckton.
These protections mean being free from harassment at healthcare and abortion clinics, free from being deceived by businesses or organizations who engage in unlawful conduct.
This step follows the passage of several state laws to protect abortion rights last month. Keith Fanconi, KCBS.
Home fires occur more in winter months than at any other time of the year. KCBS's Margie Schaefer reports, with the return of cooler weather, the San Francisco Fire Department has been kept busy with chimney fires.
San Francisco Fire responded to 3 fires related to flues or chimneys in one day as the temperatures dipped.
You can get buildup that you can't see within the parameters of the chimney as well as the flue, and that can actually catch on fire.
That is Jonathan Baxter with the San Francisco Fire Department, who says these types of fires can start to smolder and start a fire when people are not at home or are sleeping. Between 40 and 50 fire personnel will respond to a one-alarm fire in San Francisco because a small chimney fire in an urban area can grow quickly and engulf a city block.
So please take the time to inspect your chimney, to inspect your flue. Get it inspected by a designated and licensed individual to ensure that you, your loved ones, and your friends are as safe as possible.
The fire department has also responded to carbon monoxide alarms going off because people are using stoves to heat their houses or apartments. This is not recommended. Margie Schaefer, KCBS.
It'll be a whole lot more expensive to go to one of California's official snow parks this winter. But as KCBS's Megan Goldsby reports, state officials say the price hike was long overdue.
It used to cost $5 per car for a day pass to go into one of these sanctioned pull-offs to go play in the snow. There are 18 of them around California. This year, it will cost $15.
All of the money that is generated from the permit program goes back into the program. It's reinvested into the operations that allow us to keep the program running.
Jen Grady is the Winter Recreation Manager for California State Parks Off-Highway Vehicle Division. She says that includes maintenance on bathrooms at the parks, plowing the parking lots, and putting some staff at the parks on the weekends, which can get very busy. Season passes will now be $40 instead of $25, but Grady says they were very thoughtful about this increase.
We really spent our time looking at the local areas because we didn't want to price ourselves so high. We wanted to be, in that competitive range that you could potentially go to a snow tubing facility and expect to pay, potentially $20 for parking and additional fees per person to tube for a few hours.
And of course, it's a whole lot cheaper than going to a ski resort. This is the first price increase for the snow parks in decades. They open November 1st and close again on the last day of May. Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
A scammer is posing as a Danville police officer to get money from unsuspecting callers. Officials say that the person is cold calling people, saying that they've missed jury duty and need to pay a fine, or else a warrant for their arrest will be issued. Police say they learned of the recent scams from someone who received a call and thought it sounded suspicious, and they're warning people to stay vigilant and not to give out payment information over the telephone. Coming up on KCBS, a recent study has found that your cat does know you and probably prefers your company to that of anyone else. That's coming up in 5 minutes. KCBS News Time, 12:45. The Warriors lost to the Suns in Phoenix last night, 134 to 105. And in hockey, the Vegas Golden Knights beat the Sharks 4-2. Here's Victor Zaragoza with sports.
Magic Johnson is an NBA legend, but the former Los Angeles Lakers great and business mogul has yet to invest in one of the league's teams. But that isn't for lack of opportunity. While Johnson is part owner of 2 Los Angeles sports franchises in the MLB, the Dodgers, and the WNBA Sparks, he recently revealed he once rejected a chance to purchase a stake in the Golden State Warriors. When asked on the Club Shay Shay podcast with Shannon Sharp if he wanted to own an NBA team,
I do. It's the right situation. But I'm such a Laker fan, I don't know if I can do it.
I don't think you can do it.
Me either. I've had 4 opportunities.
Right.
And I turned them all down.
Right.
Joe Laker and Peter Gruber sat down and lunch with me and
Panama. We want you to be our partners with the Gold State Warriors. I love both men.
Right.
I just couldn't do it. I like her.
Audio courtesy of the Shay Shay podcast. From the sports desk, Victor Zaragoza, KCBS.
You have 3 ex-wives and your current trophy wife wants a life insurance policy 3 times the size of the policies you had to purchase for your previous mistakes? If so, you need to call Big Lou at Term Provider, 800-777-1979. Big Lou is intimately familiar with your problems, and if you're 50 or 60 years old and in reasonably good health, a $1 million policy should only cost about $100 to $200 per month. Big Lou may have a solution for your previous policies as well. You may even save enough money to lighten the load on your new $1 million policy. Remember, call Big Lou. He's like you, except he's only on number 2. Call Term Provider at 800-777-1979. That's 800-777-1979. For $1 million in term life insurance that you can live with. Call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979. Kirby is your driveway mechanic. They bring the shop to you with great replacement,